Good morning, one and all. Now we'll move towards the MCQ, which part we have completed today and the last lecture. So some of the MCQs we will start here. So first objective is here. What is the first stage in traffic engineering studies? So options are here. One is the traffic volume studies, spot speed studies, speed and delay studies, origin and destination studies. So what is the answer? So answer is here. What is the first stage in the traffic engineering studies? Okay. First answer is given that what is the first stage in traffic engineering studies? So answer is a traffic volume studies. Answer is given by Shirsagar, who is Pragati Shirsagar. Okay, thank you. Your answer is correct. Now we'll move towards the next point. That is the traffic volume is usually expressed in dash dash dash. What is the answer? Objective is the what is the traffic volume is expressed in usually expressed in dash dash dash. Option first option is LMV, second one is the PCU, third one is the LCV, and last one is the HCV. So what is the answer? Anyone can please tell me the answer? Traffic volume is usually expressed in. First option is LMV, second one is the PCU, third one is the okay. What is Sonali Patil? Your answer is correct. That is the B option. That is the PCU unit. Okay. Next one, we'll see the number of vehicles that pass through a transverse line of a road at a given time in a specific direction is called. So first option is traffic studies, second option is traffic flow, third option is traffic origin, and last option is the traffic destination. The number of vehicles that pass through a transverse line of road at a given time in a specific direction is called a dash dash dash. What is the answer? Okay, what is the answer? Priyanka Pula. What is the answer, Priyanka? B option is here and your answer is correct answer. That shows the traffic flow. Okay. Next one is the fourth one is the traffic flow is dash dash dash. First option is static, second option is dynamic, third option is static and dynamic, and last option is the maybe static or dynamic. So what is the answer? Traffic flow is static or dynamic. What is the answer? Anyone can please tell me the traffic flow is a static or dynamic, and last option is the maybe static or the dynamic. So what is the answer? Please use the chat box. Give me the answer. Traffic flow हा कसा आहे? Static आहे, dynamic आहे, static आहे का dynamic आहे, or maybe static or the dynamic. Okay, Shital Bhairavde, your answer is correct, and the option is B option, that is the traffic flow is a dynamic flow. Okay, thank you. Next one is the next question is what is the first objective of traffic volume studies? What is the first objective of traffic volume studies? Option number 1, to decide the priority for improvement of roads. Second objective is the for geometric design. Third option is for computing the roadway capacity, and the last option is to plan traffic operation. So which one is the correct answer? What is the first objective of traffic volume studies? First objective, what is the answer? The answer is D, to plan the traffic operation. First, what is the first objective of traffic volume studies? Anyone can please give me the answer? काय असणारे ऑप्शन सांगा. आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? ट्रॅफिक व्हॉल्यूम स्टडी करायचं आहे. कशासाठी आपण ट्रॅफिक व्हॉल्यूम स्टडी करतो? आपल्याला रोड तयार करायचा आहे, तर त्यासाठी फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, दॅट इज द टू डिसाइड द प्रायोरिटी फॉर इम्प्रुव्हमेंट ऑफ रोड्स. शीतल, युअर आन्सर इज करेक्ट आन्सर. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज द pedestrian data is used for planning. Pedestrian data is used for planning dash dash dash. First one is the highway, sidewalk and crosswalk. Third one is the curb, and last one is the camber. So what is the answer here? Anyone can please tell me? Question number 6. The answer is B option. So answer is sidewalk and the crosswalk. Correct answer. Okay, Sonali Patil and the Priyanka, both you have given the answer. That answer is the correct answer. Next one, which of the following method is more accurate for traffic analysis? Which of the following method is more accurate for traffic analysis? So first option is manual count, second one is the automatic count, third one is the average of manual and automatic, and last one is the past record. So what is the answer? So answer is B. Priyanka, your answer is correct, and that is the automatic count. So second option is the correct option. Okay, thank you. Next one, question number 8. The outgoing and incoming traffic are counted at dash dash dash. So what is the answer? Option number 1 is traffic intersection. Option number 2, highway. Option number 3, urban roads, and option number 4, traffic symbol. So which one is the answer? So answer number 1, that is the traffic intersection, and it is a correct answer. So Vaishnavi and the Priyanka, both you have given the correct answer. Okay, thank you. Next question number 9. The traffic that prepared based on 365 days of the year is called. So option number 1 is the yearly traffic. Option number B, annual average daily traffic, and the average yearly traffic. So what is the answer? 365 months. It is a annual. So what is the answer? So answer is a B option. Vaishnavi and the Priyanka, both you have given, that is the annual average daily traffic. Okay, thank you. It is the answer is correct, given by Priyanka and Vaishnavi. Next one, the chart showing the variation of traffic is called a dash dash dash. The traffic shows the variation of chart showing the variation of traffic is called a dash dash dash. Traffic chart, trend chart, variation chart, and last one is the traffic flow map. So which one is the correct answer? Which one is the correct answer? Option number C. Oh, that is the variation chart. Okay, it is the correct answer. Next one, already answer is here. 11. Yeah, dash 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 is ill effects of parking. Okay, so which of these conjunction म्हणजे आपण parking का करतो? What are the effects? Parking कशासाठी करायचं आपल्याला? So there are the options. First one is the conjunction, accident, and the environmental pollution. So all are these are the effects of the all are the effects. And so that the option D is the correct option, and the answer is the all of them. So what are the effect? Conjunction is the effect, accident is also there, environmental pollution is there. See, these all are the effects of the parking. Next, 12th one, dash 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 is type of street parking. So which one is the correct answer option? So first option is the underground parking, roof parking, mechanical car parking. So off street parking म्हणजे काय? The off street parking म्हणजे काय असतं? तर off street parking means which will be away from the road, away from the street way, or the away from the stream of the road, and which will be provided for the park the vehicle. So that is the underground parking असेल, roof parking असेल किंवा mechanical parking, which will be away from the road. So that all of the above is the correct answer. Next one is the pick up the incorrect statement. We'll see here. The parallel parking consumes the maximum curb length. From the point of view of maneuverability, angle parking seems to be better than parallel parking. Right angle parking accommodates nearly 2 times the number of vehicles as parallel parking. None of the above. So incorrect statement is the none of the above. Okay, all statements are correct. Next one is the illumination of lux must be provided in underground parking. So lux किती असतो बघा जो बल्ब आपण प्रोव्हाइड करतो for the illumination, that should be 50 to 75 lux. Okay, that part we will finish in the next lecture about this illumination or lightning. Okay, gradient of ramp provided in multi-level car parking is usually, so what is that ramp, what is that gradient is provided for the ramp, that you should know, and it is equal to 1 in 10. Okay, so that is the 1 in 10. Next one is the that is the gradient over here. Next, the maximum number of vehicles can be parked. Maximum number of vehicles can be parked with. Already we have seen, whenever this angle of inclination is goes on increases, the more number of vehicles will be parked. Okay, and so here the maximum number of vehicles can be parked with the perpendicular parking. Means maximum angle is a 90 degree. So at that time of the angle of 90 degree, that parking will be which accommodates the more vehicle. So maximum number of vehicles can be parked with 90 degree. Maximum number of vehicles कुठे park होतात तर maximum at the 90 degree park. So we'll move towards the next question. As per the IRC SP12, the standard minimum space for car parking stall is dash dash dash. Okay, standard minimum space for car parking stall is dash dash dash. How much it is? 3 meter by 6 meter. 3 meter by 6 meter. Okay, so we'll stop here for this today's lecture. Remaining part we'll see in the next lecture. So thank you all.